You watch videos, you listen, you learn vocabulary or grammar, but your speaking progress is so down. So by the end of this video, you will know why your English is not improving. You must have tried to find out the reason, but you may couldn't find, and you feel frustrated because your English is not improving. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Kavya. So in this video, I will share 5 reasons or mistakes why your English is not improving. And so if you will know, then try to correct them. So let's start the video. Reason number 1, you are learning but not speaking it. This is probably the most common reason. Many learners, they do everything despite speaking. So let me take your example. It will be easy for you to understand, right? So imagine that you don't know how to ride bicycle and you want to learn. For that you watch videos. So tell me, only watching videos will you able to ride bicycle? Of course not. For that you have to take bicycle and go for a ride. Then only you will able to ride bicycle. So the same with English. If you want to speak, if you want to improve, then not only watch, along with watching, just speak, right? Second is, you are learning too many things at once. One day grammar, next day vocabulary, then third day speaking, then next day daily use sentences, then pronunciation. So for that reason your mind, your brain get overload or you feel frustrated, right? So make a schedule, make a strong schedule that will boost your English, right? So what you can do is just make a plan. You can do 5 minute vocabulary, 5 minute learn vocabulary, 10 minutes speaking. Just divide your time, and 30-minute listen, then 10-minute reads. So according to your time, just divide, right? So make a strong schedule which actually will improve your English, right? Third is being inconsistent. Now what we do, we beginners, we learn English 1 hour 2 hour for 2 days continue. The next day, then we skip for 3 4 days. So these will never help you. If you don't have 1 hour 2 hours, so just learn for, give your time at least for 30 minutes, right? Fourth is, you are learning vocabulary but not using. So many learners do this. Even I also have done that. I used to learn list of vocabulary but never ever used it. So don't learn list of vocabularies. Learn only daily use vocabulary, and not only learn but also try to implement in your daily life whenever you do your work, right? So and this is really very important if we really want to improve our English. Not only just learn vocabulary, use them. Fifth is not lack of believing, lack of self-believing. You know what? You can compare yourself with others. We always do that. We compare ourselves with others learners or YouTubers. If we see them, they speak fluent English, then we compare. Oh my God, I can't speak that much fluency. I don't have. So please don't compare yourself. You will be able to speak if you practice daily. If you really want to compare, if you compare yourself, then compare with your past version. Earlier, how was my fluency? Now, what is my fluency? So compare always with yourself, not others. Self believing is very important. If you have a strong determination that I will definitely speak in fluent English one day, then you can definitely speak fluent English. A strong determination can change everything. So these were the 5 mistakes or reason why your English is not improving. So if I hope this video helped you. If it is, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I will meet in the next video with useful content. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.